Morning, welcome back to Parrot。我是你们的主持人 Gabriel。挪外，挪外，挪外。哎，你来，路飞，路飞。Let's go。挪外，你来。Luffy, C5 the 10th. First one, always. 26 minutes. Let's go. Okay, we're here. 6:07 in the morning. Start to preparation. Where are you flying? Which one? Where is it?
I'm already there, the river drive.
Ah,
Know
okay.
how to come back. You need rigor. When you buy that, you need rigor. No rigor. No way.
小三花 so small, but they're clean. Eh? Pretty clean. Really attached to people. It's JF's bird. Luffy, Noah likes to fly with them. Oh. This is T. Eric's bird. I think soon, maybe a few months from now, Noah will be a really good flyer. Soon. Go. Let's check out who's here. Luffy. Eli. Noah. Oh, there are a lot of birds already in the sky. Which one is the recovered one?
This one.
This one?
Yes.
Okay. Oh, looks good. It's okay. Morning.
Birthday pa?
Nanahilig ako! Sino Happy birthday!
Happy birthday.
Let's go check out what are they eating. Soy milk. 豆浆. Different kind of birds here. What's the name of this?
Bendu. Blue Nape Parrot.
This is not the local parrot.
Yeah,
no?
yeah.
This is the one?
Yeah.
The Philippine parrot. Ah, I remember last time, long time ago, I've seen two of this.
Yeah. Blue Nape.
Wow. This is a local parrot. From the Philippines. Blue Nape. Oh, Blue Nape. Ah. Happy time always run fast. We're gonna go home. So follow, subscribe, share, whatever you can do to support our channel. That's all I ask. Okay? This is Parrot. See you next time.